Imagine the scent of cinnamon, vanilla, and brown sugar swirling through your home, laughter echoing from the kitchen, and trays of colorful cookies lining your countertops. Welcome to the coziest holiday tradition of all, the autumn cookie baking party. This isn't just about sugar and spice. It's about bonding, storytelling, and filling your space with love, joy, and sweet treats that bring people together. As the leaves turn golden and the chill sets in, the kitchen becomes the heart of the home. A cookie baking party is the perfect excuse to gather your favorite people for an afternoon of mixing, rolling, decorating, and indulging in warm cookies straight from the oven. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a total beginner, these recipes and ideas will make your autumn gathering unforgettable. Start with the classics, like soft pumpkin spice cookies, perfect for capturing the spirit of the season. For about 12 people, you'll need 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup brown sugar, ½ cup granulated sugar, 1 cup canned pumpkin, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, ½ teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Cream the butter and sugars until fluffy. Add pumpkin, egg, and vanilla. In a separate bowl, whisk the dry ingredients. Combine and mix until just blended. Scoop onto a lined baking tray and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 12 to 14 minutes. Optional, drizzle with maple glaze once cooled. Next up, chocolate crinkle cookies. Fudgy, festive, and perfect for that classic crackle look. For 10 to 12 servings. 1 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1½ cups granulated sugar, ½ cup vegetable oil, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ cup powdered sugar, for rolling. Mix cocoa, sugar, and oil. Beat in eggs and vanilla. In another bowl, combine flour, baking powder, and salt. Stir into wet ingredients. Chill dough for at least 3 hours. Roll into balls, coat in powdered sugar, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 10 minutes. Want a fun twist? Try cranberry white chocolate oatmeal cookies. Sweet, chewy, with a hint of tartness. For 10 guests. 3/4 cup unsalted butter, softened. 2/3 cup brown sugar. ½ cup granulated sugar. 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla. 1½ cups rolled oats. 1½ cups flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 cup dried cranberries. 1 cup white chocolate chips. Cream butter and sugars, add eggs and vanilla. Stir in dry ingredients, then fold in cranberries and chips. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 10 to 12 minutes. To keep the vibe lively, set up decorating stations with royal icing, sprinkles, crushed candy canes, and edible glitter. Provide cookie boxes or tins so guests can take home their creations. Add a